All right, everybody, I have been missing. I've been missing for about 2 weeks from here now, and I do apologize. Interesting side note, which you'll see more about later in the coming weeks. We've actually made a couple of new videos here for azdrone.net, but I've got them sitting on the back burner because I think about a week and a half ago, one of our members of our Patreon channel said something that caught my attention. I said, yeah, I want that too. He said he was going to take a vacation for a little while. Now, after everything that's happened over the past year, you know what? I need a vacation too. So about a week and a half ago, I decided I'm going to stop producing a bunch of videos right now. Jody and I are still going to work on the 3D Vista, of course. I've got some new items that are on the back burner about the Mavic 3 Enterprise. We have a new upcoming visit to a really cool ranch that's 100% off-grid. It's in a canyon. It's surrounded by beautiful rock formations. It's got its own windmill for one of the pumps where they're bringing up the water. And so we're going to be visiting that a lot. We're going to be doing some interesting digital surface models to help us navigate this. And we're going to be playing around with a couple of features in the Mavic 3E that you haven't seen here on this channel yet because we haven't had a lot of need to use it. But this upcoming flight, we've got a need to use it because the elevation changes are just too much. So all of this is going to be coming soon. So what did I do on the vacation? Actually, we got calls. We had a couple of work items that came up, last minute things for clients that, can you do it today? Can you do it now? We've been doing physical therapy for me, which is helping. I think we're almost back to normal for myself at least. And, helping out some neighbors and just kind of trying to keep it low key. But of course the phone rings a lot. But so that's why we've been missing. We decided to take just a little bit of time off from doing all the videos and everything and kind of have a mental break from that. And I think the mental break has helped a little bit here. We'll see over the next couple weeks. But so that's why we've been missing. That's what we've been up to. And you will be seeing us again really soon. Also, while I disappear sometimes, we're still popping up on the Patreon channel. So if you go over to patreon.com and my name, Rich Charpentier, if you'd like to join up, we have some really fun conversations sometimes. Sometimes it's really boring stuff. But we do have a nice community, a nice tight-knit community, but we'd love to have some more members as well. All right, everybody, now that that's been said, I'm going to go ahead and shut this down, and I'm going to go take a look back at the couple of videos that I should put out this week and the next week, because they're basically done. I just had a couple little cleanup items on it, but when I decided on the vacation, I just said, you go ahead and stay over there for the moment. We'll come back to you. All right, everybody, I hope you're having a great start to April, and I hope that nobody has fooled you today. I'm not fooling you here. Everything we just said is spot on.